Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and an easy to follow tutorial on Pinterest. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Pinterest account, so please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the Pinterest tab on your device and log in. Tap the profile icon at the bottom right. On your profile page, tap the three dots at the top right. And on the pop-up, tap Settings. Here, under Personal Information, tap Account Settings. On this page, scroll all the way down, and you will be able to see two options: Deactivate Account and Delete Account. Deactivating your account is temporary, and you will be able to recover your account again. But deleting your account is permanent. Your account data will be gone forever. So to delete your Pinterest account, tap Delete Account and tap Continue. On the pop-up, select the reason that you are deleting your account and tap Send Email. Finally, tap OK to close your account. And that's how you delete your Pinterest account. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.